Hello, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to remove the search field from the 404 error page in WordPress using a quick and simple code snippet. 404 error pages often display a search field by default, which can be helpful for some websites. However, there are times when you may want a clean, minimal 404 page without any search elements. We'll walk through a quick code snippet that can remove these fields effortlessly. Step 1. Install the Code Snippets plugin. Start by logging into your WordPress site using your admin credentials. On the left-hand side menu, locate Plugins and click on it. At the top of the Plugins page, click on the Add New button. This will open the plugin repository where you can search for new plugins. In the search bar in the top right corner, type Code Snippets and press Enter. Look for the plugin named Code Snippets by Code Snippets Pro. Click the Install Now button next to the Code Snippets plugin. Once installation completes, click Activate. You should now see a new Snippets menu item in your WordPress dashboard. Step 2. Access the Code Snippets interface. In the WordPress dashboard menu on the left, find and click on Snippets. This will bring you to the Code Snippets interface. Add New Snippet. Click on the Add New button at the top of the screen. This opens a new page where you can create a custom code snippet. Step 3. Create the code snippet to remove the 404 search field. In the title field at the top, enter a name for your snippet, such as Remove 404 search field. This title is for your reference so you can easily identify the snippet later. In the large code editor box, paste the following code. The function remove _404 search field is created specifically to target the 404 error page. Inside this function is _404, checks if the current page being loaded is a 404 error page. This ensures that the code only affects the 404 page and no other parts of your site. This line removes the search field that is typically added by the Astra theme on 404 error pages. Here, we specify the action Astra _404 content template, which controls 404 page content, and target Astra _404 content search, the function that generates the search field. The number 15 at the end specifies the priority, which helps WordPress identify the specific function we want to remove. We hook our function to template _redirect, which allows the code to run before the page fully loads. This makes sure that the search field is removed before the 404 page is displayed to the user. Below the code editor, there is a field to add a description. You can use this to describe what the snippet does, like this code removes the search field from the 404 error page in the Astra theme. Step 4. Save and activate the code snippet. Once you've pasted in the code and added a description, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes and Activate. This will save the code and make it active on your website. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the search field from your WordPress 404 error page using the Code Snippets plugin. This method keeps your custom code separate from your theme files, making it easy to manage and safe from theme updates. If you ever need to revert this change, go back to Snippets in your WordPress dashboard, find the snippet titled Remove 404 search field, and deactivate or delete it.